hair
when
goes.
you are in it for the first 5 to 10 years, your only job is to be someone else's surgeon. I don't give a SAT
What is up? It's your favorite Josie and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going camping. So like, let's get it! Guys, we look a mess for it right now, but we're gonna get through this camp. I don't look at it. We're gonna get through it. So guys, it's hot as fuck. She's all about like neighbors right now. What? But guys, we're going camping right now, and yeah, we're gonna go on a 2-hour drive. Yeah. And I am not ready, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not ready. It's hot as fuck. We're in the AC. Nobody cares. We feel so bad because we're in the AC in the truck. We're Beyonce. And everybody's packing the car. We're all packing. It's okay. That's pretty cool. Sorry. But you guys. Who's ready for this vlog? Like it if you're ready for it. My Instagram on here. Like 300. I got like 10,000. Okay, so don't add it. How long ago were you on my gram? Like 2 years. Like 2 days. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, we stalking my shit. So, you guys, this is just an intro. Stay tuned to get ready to be on the road trip. So we'll catch you guys at the campsite. So we just got, we're going to the restaurant right now. We just got out the car. We have to get tickets to park the car. Hi guys! To the campsite. It's freaking hot, man. Like it's fucking. But right now we're taking my little niece to the bathroom. We're getting our tickets to park. Oh, stop! I'm ready to go to the lake. Yeah. Instagram photo coming soon. She's gonna be my photographer, my Tumblr. Brody! It's hot, man. But I will catch you. Guys, look how beautiful it is. So beautiful. Kizzy, stop, you stupid dog. Okay, we'll see you later. Say hi. Say hi. Hi! I do not look like crap.
That's the most I've
I have my bathing suit on, that's why it looks pink.
What?
Say hi!
Why?
He doesn't listen, I get no attention on here. Look at that pretty cloud behind me. Let's go see what everybody's doing. It's hot out here.
You guys want sandwiches or something?
It's all over me.
That's
a little kid. He's dumb.
I keep putting mayonnaise on the sandwich and I keep putting Jonathan one.
Say hi, smile with your teeth. Ew, don't do that. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Why would you do
Look at Mama's.
Chris, get up here and eat.
She made Chris smile with his teeth.
His teeth are all missing, so he's like, oh, he wants a shirt on.
Okay, we're about to go to the swimming area.
Did you put sunblock on them?
And they're taking forever because they have to get the bug spray and everything. And Chris is screaming. Okay, we'll catch you there. So we are ready to go to the swimming area. Because I don't know, supposedly you can't swim over here because of the boats. But it's like all the way over there. Like we literally have to drive to go. But like it's such a beautiful. And I have my swimming suit on. Is that for me?
You want that?
Yeah, I do.
That's for me.
So I will catch you at the swimming area. Say bye, Mariah. See you later. Recording? Yeah, it's recording. What is up? We're on this thing. Yeah. Can I get the back view? So I'm on this raft thing and dude, I have my phone on me and I don't want to get it wet and it takes me all the way down there. So I'm gonna swim to the edge. I don't know, cause stop! I have my phone. So we're on the rafts and it's taking me to the middle. We're gonna fly to the middle, bro. Wait, we need to get a rope. It's literally taking to the middle. How the fuck am I supposed to go back? This is so confusing. I hate this. We're gonna get okay, stuck. Now I need to put my phone back, so bye. I'm exhausted, but I'm still going back in because like I'm stupid like that. I'm stupid. But yeah, I'm going back in right now. And they keep opening the tent.
I'm trying to clean up. I don't want no wet clothes anywhere.
But yeah, I'll try to film. Yeah. Get away from the fire. That's not even a fire no more. What is that? What is that?
Look how good this ice is keeping it.
You guys are mean. King of New York.
Jay, stop trying to go stuck in there. I'm gonna throw you against the ground, bro.
You're so mean. Leave him alone.
Shut up. Bro, look at Dusty.
Shut, don't go up.
Look at Dusty. Look at Dusty. Look at Dusty's mugs are.
I can tell there's somewhere else.
Oh, now it's starting to smell like some cooked wieners.
There's like a fire, but like it's not even in there no more.
Look, it smells like some cooked wieners.
Wait, are we cooking hot dogs?
Yeah, we're roasting hot dogs.
We're about to go swimming, and I'll vlog some of that, but not swimming.
Hey, come on.
My bad. You can't see that good look.
Oh, what country music?
Like they're all over the place. We caught one. I'll roll the clip. So roll it. Look, it's a bat.
They're nocturnal. Don't shine light on them.
Say hi to my vlog.
I caught a flipping duck.
It's literally 10 o'clock at night, and we're still out here. Look at that, Brody. Brody, say hi. Damn, boy, look at all your bug bites.
Bro, I'm weak. I lost my whole screen.
What did you catch? You haven't catch anything?
I'm looking at the pool I'm fishing with.
Bro, my whole screen went away. Like my big fish and all.
Oh my gosh.
Them does was how Baby Chris.
Alright, guys, say bye.
So mad.
We're about to go to sleep. I'll catch you with the vlog tomorrow.
Dang, I want to use that vlog.
I just woke up and I just brushed my teeth. It's literally 5 o'clock and they're in the water.
Bro, Chris, I'll kick me off. Not that.
Watch, it's literally 5 o'clock and they're in the water. This is day 2.
I want to rinse it.
Okay, I want to rinse it. Where's the cat? I want to get on. Don't push me out. I want to get on. Push your out.
No, I want to try to
Okay, you can stop recording.
We're on the boat.
Back it up. And you have to pull the throttle at the same time.
The freaking lake, and I am freaking, it's exhausting. I'm in the tent. Like, it's exhausting. I'm tripping over everything today, I swear. It's just like, it's takes a long time. I'm about to go eat, and we're about to head to the showers and just take pictures. I'll film some of that, but like it's exhausting so much. Like I'm done for the day. But yeah. For the second time today, because I went back in the lake and we jumped off the cliffs. But you already know that. Dude, I got super sunburned. And I lost my earrings. Today's not my day. And I kept tripping over things today, and it was just like, and I fell off the raft because they like think they can just tip me over because they think it's funny. This is like really good lighting though. But yeah, dude, I'm just gonna go eat, and then we're gonna make s'mores tonight, and I'm gonna film that, and I'm just gonna go to sleep. And tomorrow we're leaving, so I would just like film the ride home there. Dude, look at that. Oh my Jesus. I have it on my shoulders too. It hurts. But with all that said, that's kind of what we're doing right now. So I'll catch you tonight. And I couldn't record the s'mores yesterday because my phone was charging and it overheated, so I couldn't use it like at all. Cause like I hate using it when it overheats. But we're packing and like our tent's down. We're almost done, and I'm gonna record the ride home. So I'll catch you at home. And like my sister's boyfriend's, I think, brother, his dog killed a duck, so I'll record that. So build a clip. To eat ducks. Blue, you like to eat ducks, huh, Blue? Oh.
Blue got that. Look at all that stuff. Show them all that. Blue got a duck.
Johnny, this is why you get in trouble.
Next day, and I'm freaking tired because like that's me. I'm sorry for not uploading Friday. It's because like I had a lot of things. We kept packing and like it was so frustrating. But like, to be honest, I don't think Blue meant to kill the duck. I think it was an accident. But I'm not trying to make this out too long. Get your favorite Josephine, and I'll be back Friday.